Welcome back. So I need to finish up these doors and I need to tighten up some of these gaps right here. This one, it's fat up here and tight here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some out of this door along this edge. I'll just grind it off and weld it. And then this one, this side I will add to. I'll probably just kind of smooth this out. I'll add a little bit. So we're going plus and minus. This one I'll use some of the rod like I did on the jam. And I'll weld it and then grind it off. So let's do that. Well, there's our door gap that I wanted. So remember, we had to fill here on the cab itself, and then here we took some off, and then on this side we added down here at the bottom, and then we added some here at the top, and I'm happy. This door's done. We'll flip this thing around and do the other side. So on this side here, I'll add, put a plus sign. Wow, this side's actually good. I'm just shocked at how much work we had to do to this door. And this one turned out, in my opinion, it turned out better than the other side. Mainly because of up here, this fits nicer right underneath this lip. And I'm not gonna make that one look as good as this side. Kind of hitting my limits as far as putting my time in on this. But there's just a little bit of work to do on there, and good. So on this door, I don't know if you can see this, but it isn't flat in line. So I'm gonna cut some of these welds and push this back, just so I can get this tight and flush. This wasn't a very good fit. It was really hard to hold these up there to tack them. I'm making excuses, which I don't like. It was my fault. I should have been more patient. So let's get this off and get it over to the sawhorses and add some metal. Well, this door is wrapped up. Well, that finishes up the door. Now we can move on to welding the cab. Saturday at 5 o'clock, Oregon time, I'll be going live, and we'll use the .23 welding wire that's supposed to be easy grind. We'll try that out and we'll weld this cab up. I'm testing to see whether you guys like the phone's microphone or the microphones that I used for the last 3 or 4 episodes. If you like the phone, I can go to the phone. If you like the microphones, I can go to the microphone. It's entirely up to you guys. Let me know. I really appreciate the feedback. If you guys see something that isn't right in the videos, let me know. I'll fix it. I'm not a professional editor, but I got to do it. So I'm not the best, but hopefully they're okay. Thanks for watching.